Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naif Al-Gerni. I work with one of the largest bank in Saudi Arabia, Saudi National Bank. I chose Acacia because I did my researches and I found that Acacia Learning is one of the top-rated learning provider that provides the CIPD qualification. Uh, and I also did my research about the teacher himself, Kevin Haslam. He's one of the teacher that deliver the CIPD level 3 and level 5 and level 7.
مرحبا، أنا مروة عقيلي HR Professional in a Senior Level في شركة فلاور. طبعاً شركة فلاور هي إحدى الشركات اللي بتتمتع ببيئة عمل متجددة ومودرن ومحفزة للتدريب والتطوير.
Hi, my name is Khalid Znitan, HR professional with long experience of people management. Currently working for Al-Jameh bottling plants, Pepsi, one of the biggest FMCG companies in the kingdom. Working with them as an organizational development manager. The reason that I'm taking this class is to improve my skills in HR and apply it in my professional life.
I chose Acacia Learning because I found Acacia Learning is one of the learning providers that provides the best classroom delivering. And I also did the research about the instructor himself. I found that Kevin Haslam is one of the best instructors for delivering the CIPD 3 and 5 and 7.
ليش اخترت CIPD؟ لأنها من أقوى الشهادات الاحترافية في مجال ال HR. هذا أول شيء. ثاني شيء لأني يعني من جد to be more professional and to be the next generation leader in Saudi Arabia and to cross the world.
I chose Acacia Learning as one of my friends have referred it to me, and after I did my research, I found out it's one of the top rated institutes to deliver CIPD, and the reputation of Mr. Kevin Haslam as one of the best tutor in Saudi Arabia to deliver CIPD qualification.
أنا اخترت أكاسيا لأني بصراحة صار لي سنة كنت أبحث عن مركز يوفر لي 3 نقاط كانت جدا مهمة بالنسبة لي، اللي هي الفلكسبيليتي والأندرستاندينج والسبورت. مع أكاسيا قدرت إني أتواصل مع المدرب شخصياً قبل ما أسجل اللي هو أستاذ كيفن حسلم، وأوجه له التحية بصراحة على تفهمه، على السبورت اللي قدم لي هو والوضعي. حمسني كمان أكثر إن أنا أكمل معاهم وأدخل معاهم CIPD 7 إن شاء الله.